Well, hello. Okay. I'm here to talk about this lovely ScanJet Pro 4500 Fn1 by HP, which I was given in order to evaluate it, test it, and see what we think of it. We are a small 5-person office, a bookkeeping firm, and we deal with a ton of paper. So this little baby here was possibly the most perfect thing to come up our alley, because as we get more into all the not just the paper chase, but all the requirements for tax regulations, we need to keep copies of a ton of documents, and to say we're running out of room is an understatement. So this is the ScanJet Pro 4500 FN1. It is a beautiful little scanner, high-end scanner. It has both a flatbed, which you can see here, and it's an 8.5 by 14 plate here, which is actually really nice because that will allow for legal size if you have legal size paper. We do not usually use that, but it also has a lot of real estate here to use. The other thing it has an automatic feeder, which is fantastic for doing a whole lot of documents at once. It also does two-sided duplex scanning. It does all sizes of paper. Here's you have your paper adjustment. You have here this little handy-dandy thing in order to stop the paper. You can do, I think, 30 to 40 pages at once of scanning without any kind of interference from you. Oh, look at me. I'm trying to break it already. Anyway, you can set this little baby up you can set it through a network, as we have it here. We are going through a network, which is hardwired, and it's a gigabit network. Or you can have it via Wi-Fi. It has Wi-Fi built in. Or you can do it via USB connection. I'm going to show you here. It has USB 3.0. I'm going to show you here. Excuse the awkwardness here, but we are a small person office. So I have it connected through the Ethernet, but I don't know if you can see here, but you have the Ethernet. You have here the USB, and this is your power. It's really simple. As you can see here, the Ethernet connection's very easy to put in. The USB factor, by the way, I should tell you, is 3.0, and it is really speedy, but we don't need it. We also have Wi-Fi, which we can connect it to. I have tried both USB and Wi-Fi, and they work very well. However, for our uses, we're going to stick to the wired, also for security reasons. I'm going to try to demonstrate how this works and how well it works. Here you have this beautiful little LCD bright screen. Here it has settings. You have, it's very simple, very easy to hook up. You basically plug this in, take your driver's disc, and you do have to put the drivers in any computer you're going to use this in. And it also has Wi-Fi Direct, which you can use to, if you have a Wi-Fi connection, to connect directly to the scanner and scan directly into your phone, your tablet, or whatever you like. This does have, it's a pretty speedy scanner. We have discovered that it's quite quick. We use it here. The two-computer thing will show you all the computers that are connected. In this case, it's me and one other person. And I'm going to demonstrate all the nice ways this works. I've loaded the software onto my computer. The other thing I'm going to show you is that this computer, this scanner, actually has... I believe there's something that should be done with all tech, and that's simple design, that you shouldn't have to read a manual to do the very basic installation. And this scanner falls right in my belief system with that. Good design doesn't require a lot of explanation, at least for the basic functions, and that is the case with this. This is your power button right here. Look how simple this is. To email, if you wanted to, if you set this up to go through email, you could do that. To network folder, if you have a scan folder set up on your network somewhere and you want every document to go there, you would use that button. Or to computer. In this case, I'm going to scan to my computer. I have all kinds of different documents here, and I'm going to show you the different types of scans that I can take. And I have, just for this very occasion, actually put together a whole bunch of stuff. I'm going to scan some papers of different sizes, including receipts, and show you how well this works. For right now, I'm actually going to take apart these, sorry, I'm going to take apart these things that I have here, and I'm going to scan them and show you how well this works. Alrighty, so I am going to also demonstrate the ease and speed of this and the quality. It works really, really well. If you have a small office, a small to mid-size office, and a network, and you want something that is available to everyone, I would say this is your baby. Okay, I'm actually going to purposely put these in upside down. And the reason I'm going to do that is to show you what else you can do. Okay, so here you see your paper, and your paper shows you it has to face up. I'm going to put this upside down. It should be headed the other way, but I'm going to adjust this on the other end. The other reason I'm doing it upside down is because I just unstapled a bunch of it, and I know it's going to jam because of things like this. So you see there, okay? So for that reason, I'm going to actually do this. All right, so let's wish us luck. I'm going to do to computer. I'm going to scan to me, and I'm going to show you how quickly it works. It's one-sided. Now here you can do save as PDF. Depending on your settings, you can set it to be a JPEG, you can set it to be a PDF, or two-sided to PDF. It also has, it'll automatically read it has Twain built in, and depending on your software, it'll be able to read your document as well. Right now I'm just going to scan to PDF, and you can see how quickly it'll do this. And there you go. It's a-going. Look how fast. This is a very quick little machine. This is very fast for a scanner. I have never seen anything go that quickly. And it's a reasonably priced for a small office or a mid-sized office because you don't have to go crazy with spending tons of money. Okay, now I'm going to take you to where it's scanning.